The Department of Justice is holding right now $3.6 billion out of the Phemex hack in Bitcoin. So now obviously the question is, what is going to happen with that? Will they dump it in the market? Will it be returned to Phemex? Will they do something else with it? That is definitely something that I want to talk about today, because that will obviously have effects on the future price on a Bitcoin. Hi, my name is Alex, and if you are new to the channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important Bitcoin updates, especially in times like these where we have an entity coming with over 100,000 Bitcoins around the corner and could be actually dumping this into the market. So, but now let us go first here into the Bitcoin chart. So we can see here that Bitcoin was finally, after we broke here the $40K resistance level, getting a nice move into the next resistance that I was actually talking about, that we will see a really quick move up here into the next resistance, and that we most likely also get a rejection from there. And that is what we're experiencing right now, but that is in the midst of this announcement from the Department of Justice that they now found supposedly the hackers that were linked to the Phemex hack and could still recover $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin. So we can see that here in Dubai was around 4 in the morning. That from there onwards we got here then this move here to the downside, and Bitcoin is right now still holding quite stable, even though we have this big FUD now going around here in the market, so which is actually strengthening the bullish case for Bitcoin, that we will actually continue to go higher here. So, and while we were coming down here and bouncing a little bit up and down, we have now a new pattern formed, a new falling wedge here, so which obviously should break to the upside and come all the way back up here to the top of the falling wedge at $45,562. That is the technical target for it. So if you want to trade this, wait for a breakout out of this falling wedge. So, and a retest of, let's say, $44,000. And when we get a 1 hourly and a 4 hourly close above $44,000, that would be a good moment to enter a new trade position, either on BYBIT or on Phemex. The links are in the pinned comment below. You still get a bonus for signing up with my links. And yeah, the bonus is overall $12,700 accumulated. So now let's also have a look quick on my trades, how they're actually looking right now. So yesterday I announced that I actually doubled down on my trades. So here on my Phemex trade, I have now almost $550,000 worth of a position. So right now $3,000 in a profit, $3,300 approximately, 9%. And here is my BYBIT position, also still 9% in the profit. Also here I doubled down from $100,000 into a $200,000 position. Yeah, also here $1,300 right now in a profit. And like I told you guys, I will keep this trade open. The only thing that I'm gonna do, if we get lower, I will add more to my position, because I really believe that even though if we would come down here to the bottom of the falling wedge and maybe even a fake out, that we will potentially turn around and go here into higher levels again. So let me also show you why I believe that this is going to be the case. So when we're going here to the weekly chart, we can see here the 50 moving average. So, and right now the Bitcoin price is fighting with the 50 moving average to stay above that level. So right now it's at approximately $44,266. So if the Bitcoin price, and now you have to really pay close attention, if the Bitcoin price can close this weekly candle above the 50 EMA, I can almost guarantee you that we will see another run here to the upside for the Bitcoin price in the next coming weeks. Because let me go back and let me show you what happened every time when we broke above the 50 moving average here on the weekly chart. So you can see it here. The price was slightly breaking on, actually here breaking under it. Here the price was breaking under the ribbon, under the 50 EMA. Here it broke above the 50 EMA again, and you see here this run to the upside. Then we broke again under the 50 EMA, run to the upside. we broke again under the 50 EMA last year, 2 years ago. So you see then the massive run that we had here to the upside. So, and also recently, a couple months back, when we came back and tested the 50 EMA again, we came up, had a nice run to the upside. So now, if Bitcoin can manage to close this weekly candle that we are in right now here, this weekly candle, if we can manage to stay above this, then we will definitely see here another nice rise to the upside. I'm 100% sure about this, but only if we can close above $44,300 approximately. So yeah, then let's go back here to the hack of Bitfinex. So what do I think is going to happen? So Bitfinex had created a fund for the investors to reimburse them because it was a hack. So there were some people then dragging Bitfinex to court that it was their misdemeanor, their fault that this hack was actually possible, and they wanted retaliation for the money that they have lost. So they have actually won. These people that had fight a lawsuit against Bitfinex. So Bitfinex is obliged to pay back the investors. So, but now, what does that mean for us? Does that mean the Department of Justice will now sell the 3.6 million Bitcoin, $1 billion worth of Bitcoin? Will they return it to Bitfinex? Will they only return it to the victims? What's going to happen? So my best guess is, because they belong to clients of Bitfinex, they will be returned to Bitfinex with an order, with an executive order from the Department of Justice to return these coins to their appropriate owner. That will not immediately have an effect on the price. So obviously some owners that are entitled to these Bitcoins, they will directly sell them or liquidate them, because between 2016 and now they made crazy gains. So they made like, how much did they make? So it was like around, I think, $400. So they made like 1,000x on their investment. So obviously some of them will liquidate. But I believe that not more than 20% will be actually sold, because because these people are for quite a while already in the market. They know that the Bitcoin price is going over time just higher. And if they don't need the money, they will actually, in my opinion, keep their Bitcoins for the long term and not going to sell. And I think, like 20% maybe out of these coins will be sold. That's then around 20,000 Bitcoins. Obviously not all at once, so some do it faster than others. So we will not have a huge, massive price impact, in my opinion, when the official holders of these coins get their coins back and start slowly selling. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, smash up also the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you know it, you will see me again tomorrow.